Windows unlock. Hood is securely open. Both battery terminals well connected, no crack, no leaky. Battery is secure. Coolant level up to level. This side belt fully tension, no crack, no cut. These all hoses tied with the clamps, no cut, no crack. All cap is tight and secure. All hoses and clamps are this side is tight and secure. Engine belt secure, fully tension, no crack. Steering components are well connected, no dent, no bend. Steering fluid up to mark. Brake fluid up to mark. Washer fluid up to level. So engine oil I will open and I will clean this one, and after I will insert, then I will look again it clean. So I will bring it out up to level, no bad smell, color is, thickness is good. So no visible leakage, top of the engine. Foot is securely locked. I am turning on my with the key. Front windshield, no crack, no chip. Wiper blades are well connected and secure. Hood is secure, no dent, no bend. Front grille is secure, no crack, no broken. Front bumper is secure, no dent, no bend. License plate light is secure and well. Both headlights, high beams, low beams are working properly. Lenses are clean. Left signal is working. Right marker light is working. Tire no cut, no bulges. Fully inflected. Tread is enough. Rim no dent, no bend. All lug nuts are private and secure. Hub seal no leakage. Insert suspension, shock absorbers, no leakage. Frame is good and no visible leakage underneath. This side body glass, no crack, no chip. This side body, no dent, no bend. Side mirror secure, clean, no broken. Door open and close properly. Fuel cap present and secure. This side body frame up to front, up to back, no dent, no bend. Drive shaft is secure. Differential secure, no dent, no bend, no leakage. Front axle is also secure. Tire no cut, no bulges. Rim no dent, no bend. All lug nuts are present secure. Hub seal, no leakage. Suspension leaf spring is secure, no dent, no bend, no broken. Secures. Left signal is working, right tail light is working. License plate light is working. License plate light license plate valid and secure. Door open, both door open and close properly from outside. Rim no dent, no bend. Spare tire is secure. This are body glass and body no dent, no bend. Glass is clear. So can you check for me brake lights?
Yeah.
One, two.
Yeah, good.
Thank you. So I turn on the right signal and high beam. Right signal is working, left tail light is working. So I forward, first aid kit, triangles and tools are present here. This is body glass and body frame, no dent, no bend, body glass, no crack. Exhaust pipe is secure. Tire no cut, no bulges. All lug nuts are present secure. Hub seal, no leakage. Rim no dent, no bend. Leaf spring suspension, no dent, no bend, no broken, secure. This side, body frame up to front, no dent, no bend. Drive shaft is secure, no dent, no bend. Rear differential axle and front axle are secure from this side also, no leakage. Door open and close properly. Both door. So front seat belt lock is working properly. Unlock working properly. Front seat, middle belt, lock properly, unlock properly. Front seat, left side seat belt, lock and unlock properly. I will stay in lock position, all the belts. So second in the seat, belt, lock and unlock properly. And after I will stay in the lock position. So middle one, lock and unlock properly. So left side, lock and unlock properly. I will stay in the lock position. So passenger Dome lights are working properly. So third row seat, left side seat belt, lock and unlock properly. I will stay in the lock position. So middle seat belt, lock and unlock properly, lock properly, unlock properly. So left side, lock properly, unlock properly. Rear side, left side seat belt, lock properly, unlock properly. I will stay in the lock position. And middle both seat belts, lock properly, unlock properly. This one, lock properly, unlock properly. And the last seat belt, lock proper, unlock proper. So rear doors open, open properly and lock properly from inside. So back side, dome lights are working properly and all seats are secure, not moving forward and backwards. So this seat is secure. So this door, inside and outside, lock properly, unlock properly. Door open properly. Side mirror is secure, no crack, no chip. Tire no cut, no bulges. All lug nuts spread and secure. Hub seal no leakage, rim no dent, no bend. Front suspension leaf spring, shock absorber, no leakage, no dent, no bend. That is valid. Both high beams lights are working properly, right signal working properly, left marker light is working properly. No leakage underneath. Please bring up in the inside. Signal off, lights off. No any active warning lights here. Engine sound is also good. My seat moving forward and backward properly. My seat belt, lock and unlock properly working. Can you check? Use seat and seat belt. Thank you very much. Both window moving up and down properly from my side. All three mirrors are adjusted according to me. Front windshield, no crack, no chip. Wiper and washer fluid working work properly inside. Left signal working, light signal is working. Lights on, high beam working and low beam is working. Instrument control lights are working. Fuel is sufficient for the trip. Battery near about 30.5 voltmeters and oil pressure gauge is working properly and fuel is sufficient for a trip. Horn is working. For a flasher, working properly. Front defrost, high and low speed, it's not compulsory. Front defrost is working properly. So cold here, if I need AC, I will put here. If tomorrow's temperature is cold, okay? After that, otherwise I will stay here. Wallpaper work in the glove box. Fire extinguisher is valid, okay? So it is dome lights at front cab here. So passenger kind of a blower is working properly. So now I will do brake response. When in the park brake, I put in the drive, little gas. So I have to apply properly park brake. Park brake working properly. Service brake working properly. So now I will fill the inspection sheet. So on the inspection sheet, I need one pen for it, okay? Then after, so first I will fill here my license number, pre-trip inspection bus RR8113 here. So odometer is 249893 kilometer. So I detected no defect. There is no defect, not applicable. So my signature date is tomorrow would be my this and 2025. Time would be near 2 something AM PM. Okay, it's my inspection sheet. Thank you very much.